Welcome to Grand Deck Getaway. Most cruisers have no idea that some of the best perks on a cruise ship are the ones hiding in plain sight, and that's exactly what makes them so powerful. So for the hook, you open by telling the viewer that while everyone rushes toward the flashy activities, the specialty restaurants, and the obvious photo moments, there are secret benefits built right into their cruise that can make their trip feel more luxurious, more relaxed, and honestly more epic without spending a single extra dollar. You tease the fact that most passengers walk right past these perks every day, and by the end of the video, they all know exactly how to unlock advantages that seasoned cruisers quietly use to elevate their entire vacation. This instantly grabs attention because it promises a better cruise experience with zero extra effort or cost. Then, you flow into the intro by connecting these hidden perks to real cruising experiences. You explain that many travelers think they already know the main benefits of cruising: great food, entertainment, beautiful destinations, and convenience, but cruise lines often don't advertise some of their best perks. Whether it's secret loyalty boosts, off-peak advantages, complimentary onboard experiences, or exclusive spaces that feel like a private retreat, these little-known benefits can completely transform how someone experiences a ship. You make it clear that this video isn't just for first-time cruisers. Even veterans who have sailed for years often overlook perks that could have made their trips smoother, cheaper, or a whole lot more enjoyable. You tell the viewer that you're about to break down 5 overlooked cruise perks that can make any trip feel next level. And you encourage them to watch all the way through because each perk becomes more surprising than the last. By setting this tone, you prepare the audience for a guide that's informative, exciting, and full of easy wins they can use on their very next sailing. One secret loyalty benefits most passengers never claim. One of the most overlooked perks on cruise ships is the loyalty program benefits that passengers qualify for, without even realizing it. Many cruisers assume you have to take dozens of trips before anything meaningful kicks in, but that's not true at all. Some cruise lines start rewarding passengers after just one sailing, and the perks can be surprisingly valuable. We're talking things like early boarding, priority dining reservations, free laundry credits, welcome back gifts, and entry to exclusive lounges where you can relax away from crowds. The surprising part is that most passengers don't even register for these programs, meaning they miss out on benefits they technically already earned. Cruise lines don't always highlight these perks heavily, because the fewer people who use them, the less crowded these special areas and events remain. But when you know how to activate them, usually just by signing into your cruise account or linking your booking, you can unlock a smoother, more comfortable vacation. These loyalty boosts add little touches of luxury that make your trip feel more special. And best of all, you don't have to spend any extra money to qualify. It's truly one of the easiest upgrades you can claim. 2 off-peak season deals that feel like luxury. Most people look for summer sailings, holiday trips, and school breaks, which are usually the most expensive and crowded times of the year. But one of the most overlooked perks is cruising during off-peak months. When the ship feels roomier, the prices drop dramatically, and the service feels more personal. During shoulder seasons like late January, early February, late September, or early November, you can snag deals that make your vacation feel almost like an upgraded experience without paying premium prices. You get shorter lines at restaurants, better chances of grabbing your favorite poolside seats, and far more attentive service from crew members who aren't overwhelmed by peak season crowds. Even specialty dining reservations become easier to secure, and popular shows have much better seating availability. Off-peak sailings also give you quieter ports, which means excursions become more enjoyable and relaxed rather than rushed and congested. Travelers Dante realize how drastically different the atmosphere feels when the ship operates under lighter passenger loads. It's calmer, smoother, and honestly more luxurious, though you're paying less. If you want an epic trip without stretching your budget, off-peak cruising is a perk that delivers big benefits. 3 underrated freebies most cruisers never use. Cruise ships are packed with complimentary perks that many passengers don't realize are free. And that's one of the biggest missed opportunities on board. A lot of travelers stick to the obvious free options, buffets, shows, pools, but there are dozens of smaller, high-value freebies hiding throughout the ship. For example, many ships offer free steam rooms or saunas inside the locker room areas of their fitness centers, and passengers often assume these are part of the spa with an extra fee. Some ships also include surprisingly good room service options at no charge, especially at breakfast. Then there are free enrichment classes, cooking demonstrations, dance lessons, lectures, trivia events, and even behind-the-scenes, ship tours on certain sailings. You can also find complimentary snacks at bars, dessert stations tucked away in cafes, or late-night treats at lounges that most people don't notice. The secret to discovering these freebies is checking the daily schedule in your cruise app or printed program. Cruise lines often downplay these perks because they want to highlight paid experiences. But when you know where to look, you unlock a whole set of bonuses that make your trip more fun without spending a cent. 4 hidden spaces on the ship that feel exclusive. Every cruise ship has areas that are accessible to everyone but overlooked by most passengers, making them feel like private retreats. These hidden spaces can transform the feel of your trip, especially during busy afternoons when the main pool gets crowded. Many cruise ships have quiet reading lounges, low-traffic observation decks, tucked-away solariums, multi-level promenades, and open-air relaxation zones that people rarely explore because they stick to the central attractions. Some ships even have designated adults-only areas that are free to use, offering peaceful pools, shaded cabanas, and padded loungers far away from the noise. Another overlooked perk is the forward deck access near the bow, which sometimes opens during sunrise or sunset for incredible views. The ship map and deck plan are your best tools, because certain areas aren't advertised loudly. They're meant to be discovered by those who explore. When you take time to walk the ship on day one, you can find secluded corners perfect for reading, napping, taking photos, or simply enjoying the sea breeze in peace. These hidden gems give your trip a luxury feel without any extra cost and often become your personal favorite spots. 5 port day benefits that make the ship feel like your own. Most cruisers rush off the ship as soon as it docks, but staying on board during port days is one of the most underrated perks you can enjoy. When a large portion of passengers disembark, the ship transforms into a calm, uncrowded paradise where you can enjoy premium experiences without the usual competition. Pools become quiet sanctuaries, hot tubs open up instantly, and you can grab prime seating that would normally be taken by early risers. Port days are also when the spa offers its best discounts and deals on massages, facials, and thermal passes, because they want to attract guests who stay behind. Specialty dining restaurants often have lunch specials or increased availability, giving you the chance to experience popular venues without fighting for reservations. Even the fitness center becomes peaceful, letting you work out with panoramic ocean views in a relaxed environment. If you've been to the port before, or simply want a slower day, staying on board can feel like having your own private resort. This perk is perfect for travelers seeking extra relaxation. It's something longtime cruisers swear by, but new travelers rarely think about. 6 quiet morning hours that offer a VIP feel. One perk most passengers overlook is the magic of early mornings on board. Before the crowds wake up, the ship feels peaceful and almost luxurious. You can walk around the decks with uninterrupted ocean views, enjoy breakfast without long lines, and take stunning sunrise photos with no one else in the frame. Fitness centers are calm, jogging tracks are open, and hot tubs sometimes sit completely empty. Crew members are getting ready for the day, so you get to watch the ship wake up in a way few people experience. These early hours give you a sense of freedom and quiet that is impossible to find during peak periods. It's also the best time to explore the ship and claim popular spots like reading corners, loungers, or window seats. For travelers who enjoy serenity, the early morning is a hidden gem that's free and incredibly rewarding. Many cruise pros deliberately wake up early to enjoy the ship at its best because the atmosphere feels special. Almost like you're getting an exclusive preview of the day before everyone else arrives. It's a simple perk, but one that elevates the overall experience immensely. 7 cabin location tricks that unlock extra comfort. One overlooked perk comes from choosing smart cabin locations. Not upgrades, just positioning. Many cruisers pick cabins at random or simply choose the cheapest option, but a little strategy can unlock huge comfort benefits. Midship cabins offer the smoothest ride, reducing motion and seasickness without needing medication. Upper deck balcony cabins give you quick access to pools and outdoor spaces, while lower deck cabins near the ship's center provide quieter, more stable environments. You can also choose cabins near elevators for convenience, or away from them for extra silence. Some cruisers even pick cabins under other cabins instead of under public areas to avoid hearing noise from lounges, gyms, or restaurants above. These simple choices cost nothing extra but dramatically improve your experience. Even inside cabins can feel upgraded if you choose ones with virtual windows, better layouts, or minimal foot traffic. Most passengers don't think about these advantages, but seasoned cruisers use cabin location tricks to make every part of their trip smoother, quieter, and more comfortable. 8 onboard loyalty points you can earn without trying a lot of people, Dan, do you realize? You can earn bonus loyalty points during your cruise by participating in activities or making small choices that help you climb tiers faster. Some cruise lines award points for attending loyalty events, booking future cruises on board, completing special challenges, or even staying in certain cabin categories. These extra points might seem minor in the moment, but they add up quickly and can push you into a higher tier with better perks like free drinks, priority check-in, or exclusive event invitations. Most cruisers think loyalty points only accumulate from the number of cruises taken, but onboard bonuses are a secret hack that experienced travelers use to level up faster. Even simple actions like linking your booking in the app or ensuring all passengers in the room are enrolled can unlock extra rewards. This perk requires almost no effort but can accelerate your access to high-value benefits. 9 specialty dining lunch deals most people never notice. Many passengers assume specialty dining is only available at pricey dinner rates. But one of the best hidden perks is that many ships offer lunch menus at these same restaurants. For a lower-cost tour, even free on certain days, you get the same high-quality food, quieter service, and a more relaxed atmosphere without paying the premium dinner price. Some ships also run to 4-1 lunch promotions or bundle deals if you select multiple specialty venues. These lunch options are perfect for trying popular restaurants like steakhouses, sushi bars, or Italian trattorias without fighting for evening reservations. Because most guests don't know these lunch deals exist, the venues stay quiet, giving you a private dining feel. It's an overlooked perk that delivers a 5-star experience for a fraction of the cost. 10. Onboard entertainment, rehearsals, and unlisted shows. A little-known perk on many cruise ships is that entertainment teams often hold open rehearsals, casual performances, or unlisted pop-up shows that aren't advertised in the main schedule. These events are quieter, more intimate, and often give you a behind-the-scenes look at the performers in a relaxed setting. Musicians sometimes perform in lounges unannounced. Comedians may test new material before their main show, and cast members may rehearse full dance numbers with an open theater. These surprise performances offer a unique experience that most passengers never witness because they are not heavily promoted. If you enjoy entertainment, stopping by the main theater during rehearsal times or visiting lounges in the early evening can reward you with exclusive, crowd-free shows that feel special and personal. It's a perk that adds unexpected magic to your cruise. Well, my great audience, at the end of the day, cruising is full of incredible experiences, but the real magic comes from knowing how to take advantage of the perks most travelers overlook. Whether it's enjoying quiet mornings, staying on board during port days, or unlocking loyalty benefits you didn't even know you had, these small strategies can elevate your entire trip in a big way. The best part is that none of these perks require extra spending, just a little awareness and planning. So on your next sailing, try out a few of these hidden gems and see how much smoother, more enjoyable, and more epic your vacation becomes. And if you found these tips helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which perk you're most excited to use. Your next cruise might just feel like a totally upgraded experience without spending an extra penny.